in fact ye wo man mu na de bia no wo behwe no na manfo asisi dan aye projects ewo emia eya na ebisa ye ho senti mpanimfo wo krum said eya na ebisa ne se mpanimfo wo krum ade because there are people who are giving responsibility so mo hwe se ekronin totoye no ye betoto ni ye but what happens enkankan wo konkran pumpuni mantemu a this issue has been always happening aya ade ye persistent but ase de bia amanyokuo we beba na wabeye yes ye manage ne abeya sa na ye de ko ebia eni se nipa kura etna na obehu se sa bia ne ye de amano na obi agi hu sika wachire na nipa ne ye project ebe wi ase ne ho no kura anye ba bia ese etna na enkran pumpurima ntemu ukopie mu ewo eye Tema West Municipal enkran pumpurima ntemu ho asem ne de ye ka na Forestry Commission ene eye Tema West Municipal eye Assembly no na Greater Accra Regional Security Council no mukabom ene omaye demolition ese ye ka ye bubu adan agu project awodo amanfo aye ye bubu agu ewo Sakumo no Ramsey site ho na ne tie ne se manfo bi asidan kura ma mpempenso a edru no bra Facebook behade this is how our projects ni bitie obi aboso awie kura aka painting ene eyi obehhehye no abetrem ye dwiri dan ni nyina agu but a dan we enye 1 month dan se dan ya yesi ni bosumi ya na wotwe mienu is a project which has been there for several months to years bi kura ho no mo ache se otumi se ni patrem kakra na behade
eja tuato ye kanu se de tie na fa de anim osoronim akoko atena se
enti edan ne yebubu ni saa no chese areho investment sika wo bi dia kɔ ade mu nyagro but ye dwiri ni nyina agudi na asie this is what is happening in Debia enyen nkwa ne bisi esi Debia just come to Facebook and see buildings e wa ha nyina de hu se sanso ni nyina wo mebu ni nyina agu enti de camera ne da so ni nyina wo mebu ni nyina agu including the omoye foundation and ade ni si hu nyina ya ye marking for demolition. Enti this is what is going on na enyenna ne biasi recently krebi says here ema chese wo mu koye demolition my Greater Accra Regional Minister beka ho asem okru ya enche kra just about a month ago na enei Ramsey site die so aba ewo eye Sakumo no na ade wei esi ye no na Greater Accra Regional Minister esentrofo ne di nkomo na wono mo ebisa se why se saadi we empanifo ni bi etra se ma ewie ansana ya betu hu anamo na say no no so kan yentie no.
If you issue a permit to an illegal, knowing very well that the place is illegal, issue permit, you also face the law. Some of them has been transferred to the north. I mean, just to serve, I mean, as a kind of punishment for them, so that.
Mebaho na before me hu ade we no, ne me bisa me ho ne say, why do we always allow these things to happen? Edenti ne ma ye ho kwan ma sa ade esiwie. Operations no, ye say baabi o masisi dan no e wo baabi ensuo fa. Enti no eni se wo motena ho. Ebetumi amansuyiri aba nkrabumpuni mantemu Sakumo no na sefo no Ramsey site ho no. Enti no eso wo mububu sa dan ni nyina egu. But the question is that your Metropolitan Assembly, municipality ni district assemblies no mudwumadie pa ene sei. Ye bo aban krach din ade ni kosi sa amiamia no a a dear Jumedi Panomudi. Is it about the air conditioning? Hey, honorable. Is that the only thing? It seems like your metropolitan municipal district assemblies now you're too relaxed. And this thing is slowing development. Emma and Krumpum 20 Minkoso. I don't really understand. How can we have an MCEDC in areas like this? A bank crash, uko assemblies no your environmental departments ya wonu behwe say yempotem nsem no ma nyina betumi akoyie your town planning for so almost offices ni bi wo ho municipalities district ni nyina ewo officers ya they are supposed to take charge nadmo for ewo ho mo offices so wo a won betumi akwa abonten ahwe say ebi si dan wo ba bi a enya edi atoyere nchen bebre yen. What do these people do? Ade no mo ye eya katua no nko a ura allowances so mo je so anya asem ketwa o eni nyina no gina municipal chief executive no so because we be coordinate wo mu nyina adwumadie amanatumi akoyie. But it seems like the assemblies are so relaxed e was anu mayu esi wi ansa na betu ho anamo hwe ba bi obi asidan adu. So why na tina ho mo see dan no a o mo hyase why na ma permit see yen see dan? Well, these are the questions we are asking, because obi ntumi nsore keke no the mason fo akọ no the contractor akọ so okosi dan. Why na ton sa asase ne ma no? Why na man permit so onkosi dan no? There are some people behind all these things that are happening no. Ya won krofo bi o mo hyase ntia wenu mu enyina ekoso tu be wo so obi asidan wo nsuom obi asidan wo ba bi a eni se osidan no a ya won krofo bi e wo assemblies no district municipal and metro no a wono mo bua ma sa krofo permit na no zuba ekọ nanti mu o kan so mo be ye kwan ya hojo eyi stretch no so ne ade manfo nyi o mo container manfo enyi o mo structures o maye no obi tumi ko right inside no de krata aba se ya ma me permit dada. And so near Nimsesa Bia and Nipanekotna no nya bia papa. There are some people Omia nation records among Bofua, Womusha Assembly Municipal no, Womudi Sedumano. It will MC, DC, no one and now was obey supervision, you become monitoring there. Some of these things will be happening. Now not Mofua was our area hono. Dear Dumapa na Motiwa Moye. And I understand why this keeps happening. The entire way it keep happening all the time, because yen shada punishment biya eye papa biya. So the regional minister no. There are people who are incompetent, they pretend to be working but they are not working. And there are people who are also complicit of the crime. Ekoswo no. Ni ekoswo nyina no wo hyase bi. Aiding and abetting. Nipa na yam from so we see baby anya de bankrofo ahyase a wo na eboa e wo assembly wo bi wo o mo na hyase a wo no boa mankrofo ye deal enya permit kura edi so onya. So those people must be fished out. Deliberate involvement. Wo mo ye silent cooperation with wo mo ye wo mo sisi sa project no wo no. Because anya obi a keke e na benya access to these places. E ye wo mo ntaban so so betumi awurawuram. But we don't punish enough. It will be no so we get a regional minister. Oklo. So what the okay no. I ma melinda oklo. Or say we have punished some of them. Now punishment in any day who dey tini bim.
You issue permit to an illegal, knowing very well that the place is illegal, issue permit. You also face the law. Some of them has been transferred to the north. Just to serve, as a kind of punishment for them, so that when they realize that what they did was wrong, and they bring them back to Accra or other places. So, if
you deɛ no mo ye nipa na ye bone no a ye behwe sembra no ene ni bedie no se ɔte assembly ho no a wahwe ma saa no ma bone we akoso no a embra ni bedie no ɛso wo ye na dwuma a wanye no a obi asidan wo nsuo mu nsuo timi yiri na afa nipa na akum nipa no ye betwe saa panyin na wɔte wo hwe ma ne kɔɔso na so no ye se ye be transfer no na transfer ye de ne kɔ no sebe mprediasa de ma mi peso wɔkyerɛ nyina ne se ye de ne be kɔ ba bia ɛhɔ no de sebe enye nipa na ɛwɔ hɔ. If you are interpreting just a hɔ de uye nipa a wontena hɔ ma ho nyo ye de wo be kɔ north near do free no for 1 more, who corner wa Genesis San. Nasa wo no ma sesa na afia sa de wa bankran enti nkran de wo mo ye papa ne de wo motena ho enti wo mo wo nof no de wo mo nya papa is wo ye bone a ne de wa konof. That is what this woman is saying. The punishment ne say the nipa no be ko northern region, forgetting that nipa no ma appointment no kra wo ti position as a regional minister, Greater Accra regional minister, say nipa kro ni free northern region. This is an insult on even the president of the republic. Nipa wa ye bonitwena so I was saying the punishment ade man say would ne ko northern region. Na northern region ne de enye nipa na wo. Northern region no enye nipa na wo. O president now wo no ma appointment who free. So this is an insult to even the one who appointed you. E dey nti na say mo transfer. Many pani emphasi eye law no straight say why you boni we ama nkrofo di dwuma ni so omudi. Then you say some municipal executive have been transferred to the northern region as punishment. So those who are living in the northern region no wo mo de nyame apanish wo mo na say eye punishment ma wo nyesa adwumafo a ye post wo mo de wo ko northern region no eye punishment ma wo nyesa. Why would these politicians be behaving this way? And our politicians motesa there's a net transfer a punishment. Na sabi baby a bet transfer nipa na ko nyam enye nipa ne gu emu ani gu on. Omo de omo hia sa particular eyini bi. Enti won ko se ho. Ni suban nye de emfa suban no emani mfiri nkran de empe suban boni. Northern region de pe suban boni. Sa na lenda oklo pe che that's what you want to say. Tinia de na firi nkran ni akoto na twene ho. Meanwhile, enanu ya na the minister for health Minta Kando, pa doctor for chew. Say was sre obomu posting enko. And he even says a posting our domoko northern region and your punishment and da hono. 1st December 2025 year. Doctors will post you my DB corner of East, Upper West near the almost monko. Almost monko and Minta Kando essay distributing doctors to districts outside Greater Accra is not a punishment, but an attempt to ensure equitable distribution of workforce. It is okay so be here born in a cinema northern region as a form of punishment here. A better now pursue a business northern region because on also means when you're born in and control. One who said their communication moya now ko fan same be diaba. You see how these politicians no mo cause problem with system nim. Politicians, you see how you cause troubles ewo your system nimu enti na wo pursue obi akọ northern region no aka kire wo say me nya boni bia wo me fresher na ade me kọ northern region because ho no ye de kọ dia na say according to Linda Oklo ni de ye punish wo na wo sachira wadwena ya sa de wa bankran below the belt regional minister a top position like this. You need to learn a lot about communication style. Ne said you can won semfa. You are not just a mere communicator. You are not a mere communicator. You are an appointee of a top position, a regional minister. And you say, see, no mampeni John Dramani Mama, yes, or you're reshuffling. Now, you from Greater Accra, say, northern region, now, regional minister, or also Emra had to say, maybe a Chemudie, a mampenia who will be here, in another moya near there, no, now, yes, swapi kakra. How would you feel? Would you see that as a punishment? We need to serve equitably. So why this? And I'm sorry, Ena, what the press release Biabetu say she apologized for. Also, my attention has been drawn to the widely circulated video in which I made remarks suggesting that postings to the northern part of our beloved country could be considered as a form of punishment. I wish to state that without reservation that the comments captured in the video were a genuine slip in communication. It's an and do not reflect my considered view, nor do they represent the established policies and procedures governing staff postings within the public service. For clarity, I was responding to media questions regarding concerns that some technocrats are alleged to have been engaged in issuance of development permits without due process are sometimes posted to districts within proximity, thereby allowing such practices to persist. In response, I referenced to instances where some individuals had been posted to areas too far from their usual places of residence. Regrettably, my choice of words created the unintended impression that such postings were punitive. I sincerely acknowledge the concerns that this has generated and offer my unreserved apology to all Ghanaians, especially my brothers and sisters in the northern region, for any misunderstanding, offense, or discomfort caused. I wish to assure the public that I hold the highest regard for due process, equity, and professionalism, blah, 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 blah. I deeply value the trust reposed in me and all that. I respectfully urge the public to treat this matter as clarified. Afei no wabe pacho. Say asemu okan no. I said yeah. Nanko ochrim question bi na bae. A na fa wo mo aye push wo mo ye bone ane ye de wo mo akomia esa ben nti no ma sa be ye de wo mo ye na wo ho. Ene wo ochrim na wo de ho na koye mfato nti said the bibi sa ba wo pacho. How could you even go through that tangent? Say ube mfato bi e ni wo say. But you see, with this apology no, you didn't also establish say transfers no any punishment. Again, say transfer no any punishment. What punishment do you give? Asutwe be na modema. Say see I also wa pacho because transfer no o can say a punishment but any punishment bi mu a. Dear punishment na ya modema wo. You should have stated that in the apology. Emi who say, oh, I was just responding to a question, but this is how we do it. Now you who say, oh, you do it in a different way. Punishment ni different from transferring them. Name punishment ni say. Na question will be beside it in ma one son say. Ni who the truth. But we are okay and what me who the ya moye. Say be a dipane yes sir. Ebia yet na ketua so be boso me be miensa. Ana say ye mana ketua kam be boso mi nsia de twe na so. Ana ni position rank wo no kra yete so. You didn't state the forms of punishment amu use for sa nkrofo mu di sa boni. You only came to apologize. It is still established say you still use the transfer as a form of punishment. Because you never stated in your apology letter any different kind of punishment apart from the transfer. What would your communication Adiaba? Politicians don't learn. And Mami, you need to do a lot about your communication inside you see your norma. And say a cast you be koni say ya be bre asomai. Obi di boni ane akata ne so. Ne ya heda yi na free baby a wedi boni no. Na ye de na ko baby foforo. Na omo wo sa bia na wo kon de ehwo de nipa nwu. Say ade ekum nipa na ade sei nipa. Ehwo ne de wo kon wo nkoye ma ne nkokum nipa nkose nipa. Enye nipa de gu ho. Let's crack the whip where necessary. Ni am punishing Crawford for the wrongdoing. Dan see so sa no ma isu na gusu na ekoso. Emwaye asomai. And that's a fact. Linda Oklu is indeed regrettable. Said the Wawacho. It's bad. And as a regional minister, that was way, way below belt. And yeah, Papa. Ebusia, maybe.
Oh, yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5.